Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So happy to have you here. I have a super quick Dollar Tree haul for you guys. If this is your first time here, please take a look around my channel. If you see any videos that you like, DIYs that you're interested in, please go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any future DIYs. Thank you to those of you who have already subscribed and continue to support me. I appreciate it so much. Let's just get started. The first thing is this wood bar magnet. Can you see that? I found this up by the register. It's just a magnet on the back. This is the only one that I found, so I'm not sure if they have different ones with different sayings. That was the only one that I found. And I also found this up by the register. It's a keychain for breast cancer awareness. My mom is a survivor, so I always like to get like card magnets and t-shirts and bandanas and anything to remind women to check themselves, go and have their mammograms. I've been getting them since I was 23 because my mom was diagnosed pretty early, so friendly reminder. I'm sorry guys, my hands are a little ashy, so let me just show you this product and then I'm gonna use a little bit of it. This is the Bolero Watermelon and Mint Body Cream, and I haven't used this yet. No time like the present, right? It's got this little silver top on it. Really easy to peel off. I'm still feeling under the weather, so my voice is nasally. I can hear it myself, but I am able to smell this. It smells more like watermelon. It's the consistency of it. Oh, it's not as watery as I thought it was going to be. Sometimes you get these lotions from the Dollar Tree and they can be watery. Do you know what I mean? Like they don't feel like they have any enriching qualities to them. It just feels like you're putting water on your skin. This is actually, oh, it's actually pretty nice. Okay, Dollar Tree, I see you. So I got the hand cream and the facial wipes. Facial wipes. Okay. And the hand wash. Speaking of washing hands, I got some hand sanitizer in lavender and lemon. Always good to have that around the house, in the car, in all the handbags, have it everywhere. And then I found this candle. I have the green one, and I burned the green one, and while I can smell it in the pot, I don't think it smells very much in the room. And I've even burned it just in my bedroom to see if I could even smell it in a smaller room, and I can't. Is it just me? If you can smell it when you burn it, leave me a comment so I'll know it's just me. It usually is just me. I also picked up some of this Swan nail polish remover, and I picked this up because it is 100% acetone, and when you're doing DIYs and you're trying to remove like lettering from pictures or frames or whatever, this works best, the 100% acetone. I also got some more tumbling blocks because to me this is like hot glue sticks. Like, you have hot glue sticks for your DIYs, you need some tumbling blocks. Is that just me? I feel like I need them all the time. And then I got this wreath. This is a floral foam wreath. It is 9.8 inches. It's the little one. And while I was over there, I got these 3 beautiful, can you see that? It's a glare. There we go. Things of ribbon. How pretty are those? The yellow one is not wanting to show up. You know what I mean. And this wall decal, so that's what it's supposed to look like. And I just got them for the eyelashes. Maybe I'll use the flowers too. But I just wanted the eyelashes. For a DIY, you will see that coming up soon. I also got this jar right here for a DIY. It's a tea light candle holder. I think the whole thing comes out. It's just a regular jar. I found these lemons. I was so excited to find these lemons, guys. These are the squeezies, the squishies, but it's like slowly coming back to life. I only was able to find 4 of them, and I bought all 4. There's a part that has lettering on it, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna try to cover it or just leave it, but I want to use these lemons as vase fillers. So I was hoping to find more. I went to 2 Dollar Trees. I was only able to find these 4, so I'm glad that I picked up all of them when I did, because I only found them at one place. I also picked up this pillowcase, and that's going to be for DIY. You'll see very soon coming up. I found the carrot jump rope, which of course I'm going to repurpose. I found some more of these oval shape gemstones, and this was the only packet of any of the shapes of gemstones that were over there, so they are very, very popular. I picked up this palette. There we go. I picked up this palette to mix my paints in, and there are 6 in here, so goodbye. I also found this. It's a 4-in-1 stylus pen. It's a pen, a stylus, a flashlight, and a laser. And I think that's a great gift for a college student. I mean, even for you to use. It's a great teacher's gift too. Great gift for a boss. A boss has a birthday coming up. Super, super cute. And by that, I am talking about these floral placemats. I love the little bees on them. You see the bees on them. I got 4 of these. I'm gonna use 2 of them as runners, and then I'm gonna do a DIY with the other 2. So I grabbed 4 of them. And then I got this sign right here, and I am not going to keep the lettering or the picture. I want the frame. Look how nice and weathered already and distressed that frame looks. I just wanted the frame, and I may keep the little wire hanger that it's on. So to do a DIY with that. And then I found this picture of this beautiful dancer, and I will repurpose the frame, but I'm gonna take her out of this frame and put her in another frame. But I've never seen anything like that at Dollar Tree. So I had to get her. And I got this sign as well. Love is the answer, with the like wooden wreath. Very spring, and it's a canvas. It's one of these thicker ones. And then I saw this one and I had to get this because I grew up in the South, and let me tell you something. Me and pecan pie are like sisters, you know, like we're like two things that are supposed to be together. So I found this chalkboard wall art with the pecan pie recipe on it, and I had to have it. I had to have it. Can you see it? The plastic is still on it, so there's a glare, but yeah, I grabbed that. I don't know if I'm gonna try this recipe, but why not? It might be really delicious. Only one way to find out. Then I got this package of 5 sheets of poster board, and it's small poster board. And I like this because sometimes I just need a piece of poster board for a DIY, and I don't feel like going out and getting one of those big ones. So this is perfect. Also, it's tax season. I've been printing off a lot of documents, and I'm running low on paper. So I found this 20-pound Jot copier paper, 75 sheets for $1. Then I found these. They're giant paper clips with pom-poms on them. And I actually am going to use these as paper clips because I have a lot of documents that need paper clips this big, and why not be cute, you know? Why not? And I think this is the last thing. I went through that very quickly. This is a fairy door wind chime, and this was in the kids arts and crafts section. I think you can see it better now. The camera keeps trying to focus on me. There you go, you can see it. So it comes with a door. It comes with 3 chimes, 1 wooden bead, a paintbrush, white strings, a pink, yellow, and green acrylic paint, 1 weight, and 1 chime holder. And it has the instructions on the back. And I'm actually going to, I bought 2 of them because I want to use 2 of them in a DIY. One last thing, guys, I found this in the bag when I was packing everything back up. I got this coconut cream and vanilla paper foot mask from Bolero. It says that it makes your feet feel moist and smooth after using it, and it offers spa-like relief from your daily stress. It helps to moisturize dry feet, soothe cracked heels, and soften calloused feet. If you guys have used this, leave me a comment and let me know how it worked for you, because on my job, I'm on my feet all the time, and the top of my feet, they're doing pretty good. The bottom of my feet, she's living a little struggle life right now, so that's why I got this. So I'm hoping that it works, that it helps. I mean, it's $1, so my expectations aren't super high, but it would be great if it does work. I kind of felt like maybe it did because this was the only one that I found. The other masks were the facial masks, and this was the only like foot mask that I found. And so I'm not sure if it comes in the other flavors. This is the coconut cream and vanilla one, so we'll see. But if you have already used it, please let me know what your experience was like. And I will let you know what my experience was like once I use it. That was my really quick, super simple haul. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show you guys. In my last DIY video, I made this spring hanging wall art, and I just wanted to show you another way that you could repurpose it. I made this little frame. This is one of my dogs, that's Slash. So what I did, I took some glittered paper that I got from Dollar Tree, and I cut it down to size for the background, and then I printed this picture. This is a printed photo, and I actually used some Polaroid photo paper that I found at Dollar Tree to print this picture of Slash. And I used the blue sequins, and I'm gonna make another one for my girl dog. Her name is Keiko, and I'm going to stamp some paw prints around the frame, and then use some of the wood letters to spell out his name either along the side or along the bottom. So it's just another way to repurpose it. I'm also gonna switch out this ribbon for another type of ribbon, but it was just another idea of ways that you could reuse these Dollar Tree photo frames. I have an upcoming video with more DIYs and also a couple of projects around the house. Really super simple and easy ways to refresh existing looks, and I hope you will enjoy them. I'll see you again in my next video, but before you leave, hit that subscribe button. You don't have to tell anybody. You don't have to tell anybody. You just click it. And then the little thumbs up. You see it right there. The little, the thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that. Okay, I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.